If you're a high achiever and you have already got that level of success and met so many of your dreams, and yet you're feeling unfulfilled and quite empty inside, we're going to use EFT tapping to help you redefine what success actually means for you, because you can be successful and at peace and feel aligned. And EFT, you don't need to know anything about it, but is a phenomenal way to rewire the subconscious. Let's do this. Tap on the back side of your hand and repeat back after me. Even though I feel trapped by my success, I choose to accept myself as I am. Top of the head. I thought I would feel happier when I reached this level of success. Between the eyebrows. And even though I feel disconnected from myself, and pretty empty, the sides of the eyes, I am open to loving and accepting myself. Take a breath, sigh it out, tapping under the eyes. This success is not what I thought it was going to be. Tapping under the nose. I just feel exhausted and stressed. Under the lips. And I'm open to creating positive change in my life now. Great, tapping to the chest. So we're going to acknowledge some of the common negative thoughts that I've heard so many of my really high achieving, successful clients say. I've given over 3,000 EFT sessions. I've been doing this for 14 years, so you're in really good hands. But I want you to stay all the way to the end so you actually experience the transformation. It's normal when we say some of these negative thoughts that you just want to run away from the video, but it's only a couple of minutes. Stay with me all the way to the end so you can experience the transformation, okay? Tap to the front of the ribs. I tell myself that I should be grateful. So many people would love to have my life. Tapping to the sides of the ribs. But the truth is, I feel unfulfilled and exhausted. Tapping to the wrist. And I don't like admitting this to myself. Backside of the hand. I don't like how stressed and unhappy I am. Top of the head. How grumpy and alone I feel. Between the eyebrows. But I choose to accept myself exactly where I'm at. Sides of the eyes. I'm still a good person. Even with these feelings. Tapping under the eyes. And I'm ready for positive change in my life now. Take a deep breath. Sigh it out. Tapping under the nose. Even though I've been following other people's version of success, under the lips. And I checked all the boxes other people told me to. Tapping to the chest. I did what society told me to. And I thought I would be happy when I got here. front of the ribs. And I love and forgive myself for this empty feeling. Tapping to the sides of the ribs. But what if there's nothing wrong with me? It's just this kind of success isn't fulfilling for me. Let's say that again. Tap to the wrist. What if this version of success just isn't fulfilling for me? And what if that doesn't make me bad or there's something wrong with me? Tapping to the back side of the hand. What if I just get to discover what matters to me? Top of the head. What if I get to define what success means to me? Tapping between the eyebrows. What if this could actually be exciting for me? Sides of the eyes. What if I get wealth and alignment? Under the eyes. What if I get success and happiness? Tapping under the nose. I'm letting go of some of this exhaustion now. Under the lips. I'm letting go of some of this disconnection from myself. Take a deep breath, let it go. Tapping to the chest. And I'm starting to reconnect with myself again. I'm learning to listen to myself. And I'm redefining what success means for me. Front of the ribs, not the cookie cutter version of success of society. Tapping to the sides of the ribs, but what success actually looks like for me as an individual. Tapping to the wrist. True success is feeling connected to who I really am. Backside of the hand, we're going to say that one again. True success is feeling connected to who I truly am. Big deep breath. Top of the head, but I don't want to go all woo and spiritual. Then I won't be respected anymore. Tapping between the eyebrows. But what if it's possible for me to find my values and purpose in a way which is grounded and authentic? Tapping to the sides of the eyes. I am finding a version of success that lights me up. Under the eyes. And I'm calling my attention and energy back to myself now. Tapping under the nose. I'm learning to enjoy connecting with myself. Tapping all over. Great. So this was just a taster. I work one-on-one with people to help you redefine what success means for you, to go on a journey of self-connection, self-discovery. We use this technique to actually go into your subconscious and repattern, rewire your brain, finding the limiting beliefs and the subconscious blocks which are stopping you from actually aligning with yourself, being authentic at work, and having the courage to show up the way that you really want to in this world. So if you're ready for some of that, then go to my website, jenniferharmony.com, and let's get on a free 20-minute call and get to know each other a little bit. I want to know where you're at and where you want to be. I work with highly successful people to help them really reconnect with themselves and be authentic in their lives. Let's do it.